Today, I say hello in Dutch.
Hello.
I almost break my driver's side window. And I dislike plastic parts.
Plastic
What's good? It's the Hunter Hoffman back with insane content! In this video, we'll be installing even more parts! Even more? Yes, even more! Thanks to my friends over at MMR Performance, we're getting rid of even more plastic parts! So let's see what's up.
Oh, god damn it. God, if I only had longer shifter pedals. I guess size does matter. Hello. Alright, so as you could have seen by the title of the video, we're going to install some new shifter paddles. For that, we would need to remove the airbag, hence why we're first going to disconnect the battery, which is located right over here. Oh. So this is where the battery is located, so we're first going to disconnect it by undoing this 10mm bolt. Then we're going to remove the negative cable. There we go. We're going to cover this like so. So now we don't have any power to the car anymore. Now we can safely remove the airbag. So if the trunk accidentally closes now, you won't be able to open it because the battery is disconnected. Hence why it's wise to cover this with something. Alright, so now that the battery is disconnected, we're going to undo the airbag. With the flat top of the T30 screwdriver, we can press in the retainer springs holding down the airbag, and then the airbag will pop out. There we go. And two. There we go. So now we're carefully going to disconnect the airbag like so. There we have our modern day explosive. We're going to put that in a safe spot. Well, very safe next to me. So this is where the retainer springs hold the airbag down in its frame. So let me show you how that works when I put the screwdriver inside. See, there you go. Alright, so now that we have removed the airbag, we're going to go ahead and remove the paddle by undoing this T20 screw. Alright, so now that the pedal is loose, we're going to disconnect this connector here. There we go. Oops. So here we have our OEM pedal. Alright, so to transfer this to this, we're going to go ahead and remove that pin over there with a very small screwdriver. Simply push it out like so. So now it pops out here. Simply grab it and remove it. Then we would be able to slide this like. There we go. So here's our plastic pedal. F***ing plastic! And now we're going to put this back on the aluminum pedal. Yep, there we go. That feels really tight, really solid. So now it's time to put this back in the car. Plastic shit. Ooh. So simply feed the connector through the hole, connect it back up, then screw back in the T20. Nice. Now we're going to repeat the process on the other side. And now it's a matter of connecting the airbag again and popping it in. Like so. Alright, so now we're going to connect the battery again, and that's a job well done. Hell yeah.
But that was it. Another awesome upgrade to the M2. The pedals feel really sturdy and because of their length provide for better control. I kindly want to thank MMR Performance for sponsoring the channel so that some more insane content could be created. We've also set up a discount code for you guys, so make sure to check them out. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Also, that some more insane content could be created.